Hello, my first graders. We're going to do an art project called Color Wheel Spiderweb. And to do this, I first want to go over what the color wheel is. We have a big color wheel in the art room, but this one is much simpler. A color wheel is an organization of colors. It tells you how to put your colors in order. It doesn't matter if you start with this color or this color. It all goes around. These are the way the colors appear in the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. So we're going to work with the color wheel and create our spider web first. Let me move this on the side. For this project, you need a plain piece of paper like you find in the computer, the printer. And then you need either markers or crayons in these colors. You need a red, an orange, a yellow, a green, a blue, and a violet. I decided to use crayons because I'm pretty sure you all have crayons, so I'll just put those markers on the side. But if you want to use the markers, just make sure you have the same colors. Okay, here we go. I need you to look around the house and find something that you could make a big circle with that fits as big as the paper. See the way I'm holding it? This way, not this way. Now, I had to search around the house and I found a paper plate like this, and I also found a paper plate like this, and I cut out big circle like this. Alrighty, now what you need to do is, oh yes, I almost forgot, you also need black, either a black marker or a black crayon. So when you have it, put your circle down and trace around the circle. I'm using the crayons for this project until you have your circle. Now look carefully at your circle and you decide by looking at it where you think the middle is, and make a little dot. Is this the middle? Nuh-uh. Is this the middle? Is that the middle? About here's the middle. If you have trouble with that, maybe there's a grown-up there that can help you. And so this is what you have. Now, what I'm going to ask you to do is to draw a line that goes right across your circle through the middle to the other side. Right across your circle, right through that middle point, going to the other side so it looks like this. After that, I want you to make a big X that goes from this side of the circle right through the point and right. You don't need to do it with a ruler or anything unless you want to, but here we go. Right through the middle, a big X. Now you've got beginning of a color circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hope you're with me. All right, very good. Now that we have this, we need to start to put our colors in. Here's where you use your crayons. Let's start up here with the yellow. We could start anywhere, but if you're with me, I think if we all kind of work together, I think it'll be easier. I'll move this over just a little, and we'll start by putting the yellow in here. All right, on the yellow, make sure you fill in the hole. Looks like a pizza, doesn't it? A 6-slice pizza. I think I'll have some pepperoni on mine. Oh no, this isn't a pizza. This is a color wheel. But you could make a pizza like this. And just finish it up with the yellow. Then do the orange, red, violet, or I know you sometimes call it purple, blue, and green until it looks like this. There we go. Let me just finish this section. And I'm filling it in completely. There we go. And as I said, you can use markers for this if you like. There, my color wheel is finished. Yellow, yellow, orange, orange, red, red, violet or purple, blue, and green. We're going to stop right there, boys and girls, for part 1. And I'll give you a chance to catch up and to do this. And we can meet again for part 2.